Welcome to this tutorial on how to use BMO Esavings. BMO Esavings is a high-interest savings account that allows you to earn interest on your savings while maintaining easy access to your money. To get started, you will need to be a BMO customer and have online banking set up. First, log into your BMO online banking account. Once you are logged in, click on the Accounts tab and select BMO Esavings from the list of available accounts. If you do not see the BMO Esavings account, you may need to apply for one through the BMO website or by visiting a local branch. To deposit money into your BMO Esavings account, click on the Transfer Funds tab and select the account you want to transfer money from. Enter the amount you want to transfer and confirm the transaction. You can also set up automatic transfers from your checking account to make saving easier and less prone to being neglected. To withdraw money from your BMO Esavings account, click on the Transfer Funds tab and select the account you want to transfer money to. Enter the amount you want to transfer and confirm the transaction. Keep in mind that some transactions may take a few days to process. It is a good idea to set a savings goal and make regular transfers to your BMO Esavings account to help you stay on track. You can also take advantage of the high interest rate by keeping your money in the account for a longer period of time. As a best practice, make sure to review your account activity regularly to ensure that everything is in order. You can also set up account alerts to notify you of any unusual activity. In conclusion, using BMO Esavings is a straightforward process that can help you earn interest on your savings while maintaining easy access to your money. By following these steps and making regular transfers, you can make the most of your BMO Esavings account and reach your savings goals.